Hello, why are you here?
Hello, I am here for a job interview.
What is your name?
My name is Jane.
How did you find out about this job?
I saw an ad on your website.
Where are you currently working?
I am not working anywhere right now.
Why do you want this job?
I want this job because I like your company and I think I can do well here.
What are your strengths?
I am good at organizing and working with others.
What is your biggest weakness?
My weakness is that I sometimes take too long to finish tasks, but I am working on it.
How do you handle stress?
I handle stress by staying calm and making a plan to solve problems.
Can you give an example of a challenge you faced?
I had a tight deadline on a project, so I made a schedule and completed it on time.
Why did you leave your last job?
I left to find new opportunities for growth.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself in a higher position, contributing more to the company.
How do you work with others?
I listen, share ideas, and work together to achieve our goals.
Can you work under pressure?
Yes, I can stay focused and work well under pressure.
What motivates you?
I am motivated by achieving goals and learning new things.
How do you prioritize your work?
I make a list of tasks and start with the most important ones.
Do you have experience in this field?
Yes, I have worked in this field for 2 years.
How do you handle feedback?
I listen to feedback and use it to improve my work.
Can you solve problems?
Yes, I think of solutions and try different ways to fix issues.
What do you know about our company?
I know your company is known for great products and services.
How do you stay organized?
I use a calendar and to-do lists to keep track of my tasks.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I am hardworking and eager to learn.
Are you willing to travel for this job?
Yes, I am willing to travel if needed.
Are you okay with working long hours?
Yes, I can work long hours if necessary.
How do you deal with difficult people?
I stay calm and try to understand their point of view.
Can you work with little supervision?
Yes, I can work independently and manage my own tasks.
What are your career goals?
My goal is to grow in my career and take on more responsibilities.
How do you learn new skills?
I learn by taking courses and practicing regularly.
What is your ideal work environment?
I like a work environment where people support each other and work well together.
How do you stay motivated?
I set small goals and reward myself when I achieve them.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and going for walks.
Do you have any questions about the job?
Yes, I have a few questions. May I ask?
Sure. What would you like to know?
I would like to know more about the team I will be working with. Is there room for growth in this role?
Yes, there are opportunities for advancement.
Will I get training for this job?
Yes, we provide training for new employees. Can you work with different teams?
Yes, I am comfortable working with different teams.
Do you have any other questions?
No, I think I have all the information I need.
I think you are the right person for this job.
I will never disappoint you.
Congrats! You got this job.
Thank you so much, sir.
Do you have some questions about this job?
Yes, sir. I have a few questions. May I ask?
Sure.
Is the job full-time or part-time?
This is a full-time job.
What are the hours?
Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
How much is the salary?
$10,000 a month.
That's a great deal.
When can you join?
I can join after one day.
I will be waiting for you. You have to be here before 8 a.m.
No problem. I am punctual.
Then see you again.
Sure, sir.